guys, Shay from 144 Firearms Training, and I'm super excited today because got something new in, okay? You might have seen my videos, and I'm always wearing either a range belt, my EDC belt, or something like that, and I just love core products, okay? Core products to me is great. When I started this journey, I knew that I was also in a journey of losing weight and trying to get in better shape. I'm in my 50s, and it's hard. It's hard to stay in shape. So I reached out to Core and said that I'm about to do a video of my belts that I use, because I use both a range belt and my EDC belt, and I'm looking to shoot competitions, and I'd love to do something about your competition belts. What do you suggest? And they said, well, we'll just send you one out and let you test it and try it out. So today what we're going to do is we're going to open the box that they sent us of a new competition belt. So let's go ahead and do that now. Very excited. Thank you for your business. Got a little paperwork. Please read before you cut. This is their instructions. It's very easy. What I love about Core belts is that it comes in really one size, and then you cut it down to your size, and it has a ratcheting. So if you're trying to lose weight or get in shape, or if you maybe gain and lose weight, you just cut it down and use the ratchet, and you can use a belt if you've even gained some weight, lost some weight. So let's take a look what we got here. This will be the buckle, the Core buckle. I love how this is your unleash. This is so easy. Put it in here. Let me see what else we got here. We have our measuring stuff. Also, your right there's your belt loop when you have your access belt. Oh, there's the ends, and there's the tools to put it in. So we have our ends, we have our tape measure, we have our belt buckle, and then we have our retention to keep it for all the access. All right, so here's the exciting part, okay, guys? For Core belts, this is so exciting. It comes with an inner and outer belt. They even asked me what color I wanted. And I thought, well, if you're going to send me a belt, why don't I just give me the one with your name everywhere? So this will be my new competition belt, and it is stiff. There it is, guys. Core competition belt that you see. There's one end. This is where you cut it down. It's got the Velcro on the sides. This is made up of, and as I was reading the sheet on it, it says Scuba, like a Scuba plastic, and their patented plastic, our Scuba with the, see there? Man, this is well built. This is your inner belt. So, I wanted to try the inner belt that wasn't padded. I have a padded Core inner belt here, but I wanted to try to see if this one might be a little bit more rigid. Not that I needed it, but I think it might be. Now this one's, I've worn this one a lot, so no, yeah, they're about the same. And I've wore that a lot. If you've seen my videos where I practice with that belt, put on a holster and use it. So the inner belt, this is the outer belt. It's 1.5 inch. I mean, this is well put together. I mean, and the secret to this whole thing is their patented ratcheting system. They're the first ones to do it. And that ratcheting system right there, you see it on this one too. I have 2 cameras going, so when you put it in your buckle like this, it ratchets. And so if you gain weight, lose weight, if you want to sit down for a while and sometimes your belt's too tight, you just hit this button and it just comes right out. Love. I mean, it doesn't go anywhere. So I absolutely love Core products. Love them so much. Like I said, I already have one inner belt This is my EDC belt. I wear this every single day. And same ratcheting here. And it locks in. And I have no problem carrying every single day. This is a phenomenal EDC belt. If you don't have one, pick one up. It's the best ratcheting belt on the market. They are the originators. They are the ones who came out with it. I believe if they didn't, they do it better than anybody else I've seen so far. And there's some other ones out there. I even use it with my range belt. So this is my range belt. You've seen me wear this out. Same thing. Has the Velcro here. Use the inner belt, which goes across like this. So you put your inner belt on your waist, and then you just latch this on. And so the inner belt's there. You take this, ratchet it down, and it's not going anywhere. Love, love, love this belt. This is my range belt, my EDC belt, and now it's going to be my competition belt because I am a Core fan. And the people I'm talking to at Core who sent me this are incredible. You know, I'm really a nobody. I mean, I'm a firearms instructor. I'm a veteran. You know, I do concealed carry, enhanced carries. I try to shoot on the range. I've started shooting competitions. That's what my thing is. I'm getting started in that realm of things to try to shoot faster. I mean, who am I? But they didn't care. They gave me this because I'm a loyal customer. I have a little following on social media, but man, I can't say enough about Core products. They're incredible. Go buy you one. They're not outrageously expensive. I mean, the prices, there's belts out there twice the cost of this belt. And why? Because I believe this is the best on the market. So guys, Core is awesome. What I'm going to do is I am going to set this up. They have great instructions. I'm not going to let you watch me cut it down to size and put all that on. You don't need to see that. But what I will do is do another video follow up because I have actually picked up some double alpha mag pouches. I have the Boss hanger, all that. I'm going to set this up and do another video of how I set up the competition belt. Can't wait to use it in the competition, guys. Core, man, you're doing things right. I like this company. Core Essentials. Buy you a belt. Buy you 2 or 3. You can afford it. All right. Talk to you later. Until, hey, like I always say, keep shooting, keep training.